Good morning, Chasm listeners. This is Kevin Carlson with the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District with this week's Conservation Report. Today I'll talk to you about winter manure applications and steps to prevent runoff. And we'll talk a little bit about CRP and the information related to signing up. And finally, the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District's tree sales. First, according to a news release from the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency, snow-covered and frozen soils make land application of manure a challenge. Producers run the risk of runoff, leading to loss of soil nutrients and potential contamination of water resources. The MPCA advises the following: watch weather and field conditions closely for a safe window to apply manure. State and local requirements vary depending on feedlot size, federal or state permit status. Refer to your state or local permit for specific details on land application. When in doubt about restrictions, contact your county feedlot official with questions. The agency also recommends these steps to prevent manure runoff. Farmers who apply manure during winter should review their manure management plan now to determine which fields are the most suitable to receive winter applications. Fields for winter application should be level, distant from sensitive features, and have crop residue. Consider lowering your application rates. Monitor field edges to verify that manure runoff is not occurring. If frozen soil prevents incorporating manure, a 300-foot setback from sensitive features such as streams is required. Also, avoid surface applications when there is 2 inches of snow or more and the weather forecast predicts temperatures to exceed 40 degrees, and during February and March when most runoff events occur. If you have any more information about winter manure application, contact your local county feedlot officer with questions. Now for a little bit about the Conservation Reserve Program. CRP is a voluntary program that contracts with agricultural producers so that environmentally sensitive agricultural land is not farmed or ranched, but instead devoted to conservation benefits. FSA provides participants with rental payments and cost share assistance. Typical contract durations range between 10 and 15 years. Some benefits of CRP are that it will help reduce runoff and sedimentation. CRP protects groundwater, helps improve the condition of lakes, rivers, ponds, and streams, and is a major contributor to increased wildlife populations in many parts of the country. There are 2 ways to sign up. There is the general enrollment and there is the continuous enrollment. First, the general enrollment lets producers have the opportunity to offer land for CRP annually during announced enrollment periods. Offers for CRP contracts are ranked according to the Environmental Benefits Index. FSA uses this index to assess the environmental benefits for land offered: wildlife habitat benefits resulting from covers on contract acres, water quality benefits from reduced erosion, runoff and leaching, on-farm benefits from reduced erosion, benefits that will likely endure beyond the contract period, air quality benefits from reduced wind erosion, and of course cost. The second enrollment is continuous enrollment. Under CRP continuous enrollment, environmentally sensitive land devoted to certain conservation practices may be enrolled in CRP at any time. Certain eligibility requirements still apply, but offers are not subject to competitive bidding. Now for a little bit on who's eligible and what type of land is eligible. First, a producer must have owned or operated the land for at least 12 months prior to submitting the offer for continuous CRP or 12 months before the close of general or grassland sign-up. Eligible lands would include cropland. Land must be planted or considered planted to an agricultural commodity for 4 of 6 crop years, and that is physically and legally capable of being planted in a normal manner to an agricultural commodity. Again, FSA helps provide CRP participants with annual rental payments as well as certain incentive payments and cost share assistance. Finally, a little bit about the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District tree sales. Tree orders can be made on our website at www.stearnscountyswcd.net with a credit card or in our office with cash, check, or credit card. Again, you can go on our website at www.stearnscountyswcd.net or you can stop in our office and make your purchases there. Trees are sold in bundles of 25 and are sold bare root, either as seedlings or transplants. You will be notified by both a postcard and an email when your trees are ready to be picked up in Waite Park. Again, this is Kevin Carlson with this week's Conservation Report, and I hope everyone has a great New Year's. Thank you.